How to password protect files and folders in Windows 11. Let's go. First, create a new folder on your desktop or choose the one you want to have the password for. Drag and drop all the files you want to password protect in this folder. You can also choose a single file for password protection. Let's call the folder private stuff. To password protect your folder, please download the small software 7-zip, which is not only good for password protection, also good for compressing your files, reducing the file size, and perfect for saving disk space and sharing. You can find the download link in the video description, and don't worry, it's free and safe. After installing it, all you need to do is right-clicking on your folder or file, click on show more options, and under 7-zip you can find different options to choose from. For example, you can compress the file and sharing via email. We click on add to archive and a small window will pop up. In the encryption section right here, you must enter your password 2 times. After it, click on OK. Your folder or file will now change its icon and file type. If we open it, we can only extract and get access to the files with the password we set before. Make sure you don't forget your password and make notes somewhere not to forget it. I highly recommend to back up your important files somewhere on an external storage, such as an USB stick, and put it somewhere safe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.